Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, let's talk about how you can maximize your home's value with some smart renovation tips for 2025. Whether you're planning to sell soon or just want to enjoy your space more, these ideas can make a huge difference. First up, let's talk sustainability. Eco-friendly upgrades aren't just good for the planet, they're a top priority for modern buyers. Think solar panels. They can save you up to 70% on electricity bills and usually cost between $15,000 and $25,000. Energy efficient windows can save you 10 to 25% on heating and cooling, while smart thermostats adapt to your routine and cut energy costs by 10 to 20%. Next, open concept living spaces are all the rage. Removing non-load bearing walls can create a feeling of spaciousness and potentially recover 20% more usable space. Consistent flooring and color schemes help the flow between rooms, making your home feel larger and more connected. And don't forget to design functional layouts. Think living rooms that double as home offices. Outdoor living spaces are another fantastic way to boost your home's value. Adding a deck or patio can give you a 70% return on investment and create the perfect spot for gatherings. Landscaping with native, low-maintenance plants not only boosts curb appeal, but can increase home value by 10 to 15%. And an outdoor kitchen that can offer over 100% ROI. Built-in grills and seating make outdoor entertaining a breeze. Upgrading your kitchen is always a smart move. Modern energy-efficient appliances not only enhance functionality, but can increase property value by up to 10%. Quality countertops like granite, marble, or quartz can boost your home's value by 3 to 5%. And a functional island? It's perfect for meal prep and socializing, making your kitchen the heart of your home. Bathroom remodels can also add significant value. Spa-like features such as soaking tubs and rainfall showers create a luxurious feel. High-end tiles and fixtures can elevate the aesthetics and add 5 to 10% to your home's value. Plus, built-in shelves and cabinets improve organization and appeal to buyers. Finally, smart home technology is a must-have for 2025. Smart security systems with cameras and alarms enhance safety and attract tech-savvy buyers. Smart lighting creates ambiance and saves 10 to 15% on energy costs, and voice-controlled systems offer convenience and modernity. So there you have it. Strategic renovations can make your home stand out in the 2025 market. Investing in these upgrades will improve your living experience and attract future buyers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your home's potential. See you next time.